It's my favorite time of year, and I'm excited to once again partner with Oslove Organics to kickstart the 2023 Oslove Holiday Series. Each month, spanning from October to December, we will be highlighting ingredients you can use to make your own DIY creations or holiday gifts for family and friends. Last year, we made a pumpkin seed deep conditioner for Halloween, and I thought a pumpkin seed hair butter would be the perfect way to further utilize the pumpkin seed oil from Oslove Organics. So today, I'm showing you how to make my pumpkin seed hair butter to strengthen and promote healthy hair growth. I'm using pure and natural ingredients from Oslove Organics to make this luxurious butter, and 5 lucky winners will have a chance to win one full-size 8-ounce jar, so make sure you stay tuned. For today's butters, I am using a combination of mango butter, Cupuacu butter, and Tamanu butter. These butters all have amazing benefits for the health of your hair. This combination also yields a rich and creamy consistency that absorbs quickly without weighing your strands down. So let's jump into the making of this pumpkin seed hair butter. So I have here 360 grams of mango butter. This butter is slightly harder than the others and will give this hair butter stability. Next, I am adding 240 grams of Cupuacu butter. This unrefined butter is similar to Shea butter and has a strong cocoa aroma. Now I am adding 180 grams of Tamanu butter. This is a softer butter that will soften the consistency and make it extra creamy and delightful. Now I can melt down these butters on low heat before adding my liquid oils. While the melted butters are still hot, add in the liquid oils. First, I am adding 200 grams of unrefined pumpkin seed oil. You can see how rich and deep this color is already. Pumpkin seed oil contains powerful antioxidants that strengthen the hair and help to repair damage. This oil is the perfect way to jazz up your DIY creations this fall season. Next, I am adding 120 grams of hair growth oil. This oil contains unique blends of pure, virgin, and organic carrier oils known to promote hair growth and scalp health. Lastly, I'm adding 88 grams of unrefined sea buckthorn oil. This oil is rich in vitamins and other nutrients to encourage healthy hair and scalp. Now that we have mixed the oils into the melted butters, I'm going to give it a good stir to make sure the mixture is uniform. Then I'm going to cover it and place it in the freezer for about 45 minutes to an hour. You can adjust the time depending on batch size. A smaller batch will require less time to freeze. I actually left mine in way too long, so I let it sit out for about 30 minutes before whipping it up. This time I'm using a hand mixer to whip up my hair butter. The hand mixer will whip the butter into a dense, creamy consistency. Since the bowl is still really cold, it took some time to whip up the butter. The hand mixer definitely takes a little bit more elbow grease, you guys. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's gonna definitely take some time to whip this up, but the final product is so worth it. Now you can go ahead and add in your fragrance and essential oils. Oslove Organics now offers a variety of bulk essential oils to choose from. Today, I used my own fragrance blend along with one of Oslove Organics essential oils to give this hair butter a pumpkin pie aroma. It smells so good, you guys. Also, don't forget to add vitamin E. With this many rich oils and butters, you definitely need to protect them from oxidation. So don't forget to add your vitamin E. Now continue to whip, whip, and whip until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. This butter is thick and dense, but it's not hard at all. It is actually the perfect consistency for piping. You guys know I have been using Oslove Organics butters for years. They are especially unique because they do not melt down their butters to mold them into blocks using high heat like other companies. Instead, the butters are packaged right away with no further processing, leaving their nutritional profile and benefits intact. This is one reason why Oslove Organics butters are packaged in small chunks. This is also why Oslove Organics butters always results in an extra rich and creamy final product. So would you guys like one of these butters? This batch was enough to make about 5 8-ounce jars of this pumpkin seed hair butter, and I want to ship them to you guys. So here is the chance to enter to win. Be sure to read the description box carefully and avoid scams. I am extremely grateful to have been able to continuously host this series. For November, I will be sharing with you all some of the DIY creations from prior Oslove holiday series, and you all will be able to vote on which one you would like to see me revamp. So stay tuned and be sure to check out Oslove Organics for all of your DIY needs. Check the description box down below for the link and also for how to enter the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in for the Oslove holiday series, for liking and subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!